out there, but a cold wind is blowing. It's been stuck with us for a couple of days or so now. The satellite picture actually shows the sun shining not everywhere. In fact, the eastern coast here have had quite a cluster of showers in the last few days, and indeed today has been the case. It's been affecting parts of East Anglia, but by far the majority of the country today enjoying that sparkling autumn sunshine. If you've started the weekend early and you want to enjoy the afternoon, do make the most of it. Look at all of this stuff coming our way, rain-bearing cloud and wind ready to reach us for the weekend. But anyway, here's the afternoon first of all. The southeast has been a little bit disappointing in the last half hour or so. It's clouded over and the showers continue across East Anglia. But other than that, looking at most of the country, tons of sun out there, temperatures of around about 10 degrees, 50 Fahrenheit. That cold wind still blowing. Actually, for some of us, it feels more like a bright December's afternoon, actually. For Northern Ireland, a few sprinkles of rain, but other than that, not too bad. And that northwesterly wind carries some of those showers into parts of Wales and further into Somerset as well. Some of these showers have been heavy, but most of us will continue to escape them for the rest of the afternoon. But as far as the tip of Cornwall is concerned here, lots of blue sky for you for the second half of the day. Now, of course, with the clear skies this time of year, no surprises, it turns very chilly very quickly once the sun's down. Even a touch of air frost in some of the frost hollows almost anywhere in the UK during the first part of the night. But then, from the west, things are changing. In fact, the early hours of Saturday morning, rain piles in and also some strong Atlantic winds out of the southwest as well. We're talking about gales in some of these coasts here, especially in exposure, gusts of around 50 miles an hour or so. And then through the morning, the weather will continue to deteriorate across many parts of the UK, and that wind will blow in that rain further and further inland. So Saturday's not looking very pretty at all. The southeast, for the first part of the day, not too terrible. It will go a little bit downhill, in fact, as we go through the second half of the day. The winds will increase here as well. So not a great picture. Now, Sunday, it's topsy-turvy weather. In fact, the top of the country has some marvellous weather conditions, but further southwards, it's a complete washout. But the good news is, though, that, of course, Newcastle, a very important place on Sunday. We've got the Great North Front. Now, it'll be a little bit on the nippy side first thing, but by the time you end the race, or some of us at least, around 11 degrees, so that's the low 50. So in summary, the next couple of days or so, well, very autumnal, typical.